3N Radio.
What up. Donc, bienvenue à l'émission 3N Radio, émission semaine 2, épisode 3, avec moi, Street.
Et moi-même, Grimaud.
Donc là, on commence directement l'émission avec du lourd. On va commencer l'intro direct avec un album de Black Panther, un extrait de Taiga Kyoto, un extrait de Nipsey Hussle Victory Lap.
Ensuite, un extrait de Nestlé, de Tech Nine, et aussi un extrait de Mozi et de Tory Lanez.
Exact, donc c'est parti, préparez-vous, le mix commence, 3N Radio.
Confidence and calculated promises all in your conversation. I hate people that feel entitled. Look at me crazy cause I ain't invite you. Oh, you important, you the moral to the story. You endorsing, motherfucker, I don't even like you. Corrupt a man's heart with a gift. That's how you find out who you dealing with. A smart percentage you I'm building with. I want the credit if I'm losing or I'm winning. On my mama, that's the realest shit.
Let's talk about love. Everything you offer, or do you feel it hard, you? I know the feeling hard, you.
It's maybe the night that my dreams might let me know. All the stars are closer, all the stars are closer, all the stars are closer. It's maybe the night that my dreams might let me know. All the stars are closer, all the stars are closer, all the stars are closer. Skin cold when the ego gets to talking, I get involved like a rebound. Got no in game, got no ways out, got to stay down. It's the way that you're making me feel like nobody ever loved me like you do. And you kinda feel like you're tryna get away from me. If you do, I won't move. I ain't just cry for no reason. I ain't just pray for no reason. I give thanks for the day, for the hours, and another way, another life breathing. I did it all cause I feel good. I wouldn't do it all if you feel bad. Better live your life. We're running out of time. Let's talk about love.
Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. The temperature. Yeah, I can feel the temperature. I pick you up in the Bentley truck, come outside. Hit me up when you need some downtime. Damn girl, it's about time. Off at 4, I wanna see you round 5. Round 4:45, I'll be on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way, come outside. Baby girl, you'll never doubt mine. I lost my watch and I still found time. And you're hot and cold, that makes you warm. Let your ex-man stay in the storm. When you don't have to force it, it's a force. All I ever want is more. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. The temperature. Yeah, I said I get you so high, you might die if you fall, yeah. And what's left of love if I give you all of me. Be patient. And when you need space, I give you a spaceship. Take all the space you need, yeah. Face your freedom at the face, you still be mine. Before we lay, we lie. I get you so wet, you come clean, oh wow. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. Temperature. Yeah, I said I get you so high, you might die if you fall. And you're hot and cold, that makes you warm. Let your ex-man stay in the storm. When you don't have to force it, it's a force. All I ever want is more. And I cannot protect you when you flex so far away. I remember when I met you, the thought of sex was so far away. All I wanted was to talk to you. Thought it'd be cool to tell you what I thought of you. You're radiant, you're vibrant, intelligent, you know I'm nothing like them. I'm more like lightning, you're like fire, it's frightening. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature rise. Yeah, I know when you're outside, I can feel the temperature, right? Temperature. Yeah, I said I get you so high, you might die if you fall.
My nigga, this is dedication. This is anti-hesitation. It's a real nigga celebration. It's a dime block declaration. 59th and 5th Ave, granny house with vanilla wafers. It's the remedy to separation. Tupac of my generation. Blue pill in the fucking matrix. Red rose in the great pavement. Young black nigga trapped and he can't change it. Know he a genius, he just can't claim it. Cause they left him no platforms to explain it. He frustrated so he get faded. Like deep down inside he know you can't fade him. How long should I stay dedicated? How long till opportunity meet preparation? I need some real nigga reparations, or I run up in your bank just for recreation. Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. It's dedication. Look.
I spent my whole life thinking out the box. Boxing homies 3-on-1, got DP, but I ain't dropped. Chirp on me, here I come. Spin around the block, they blurted on me. Said I ran a stop sign, but that's a lie. I spent my whole life staring at the stage, playing Sega, daddy smoking Sherm, mama playing spades, catching vapors. Grandma said I get some Jordans for my grades, that's my baby. When she died, my heart broke 100 ways. I spent my whole life trying to make it, trying to chase it. The cycle of a black man divided, trying to break it. You take a lost shit, don't cry about it, just embrace it. Mine a setback for major comeback, that's my favorite. My nigga L said you do it song with Nip. K-Dot here better grip. I said he a man first, you hear the words out his lips about flourishing from the streets to black businesses. Level 4 y'all living, giving to false imprisonment. Listen close, my nigga, it's bigger than deuces and foes, my nigga. Since elementary, we close, my nigga, you're straight like that. I give you the game, go back to the turf and give it right back. For generations, we've been dealt bad hands with bad plans. Prove your dedication by hopping out Grand Ams. I'm at the premiere, politicking with Top Nip and Snoop. Damn, Pac watching the way we grew from dedication.
Yeah, I eat dinner in Dolce. I slip the clothes off a caramel, bitch. I eat that bitch just like a damn Ferrero Rocher. Ay, running up that check. Damn, it's like some Nike Rocher. Yeah. Playing with them cars, that's Texas Hold'em. I'm sipping on that Texas potion. Take these bitches phone from them when they come through the dope. Bad bitch tryna draw blood from my finger, I ain't know her screen was broke. Yeah, I'm nervous. She a vampire, I put it across her head like a nurse. Donated all of my blood. I do this shit for my blood. I put it under the rug. Pour up the mud, that codeine #1 dad on my mug. I put my all in it, and I want the rate for that. Yeah, hey. And I want the bait for that. My bitch want a bigger butt. butter, she just need somebody who could pay for that. Yeah, hey, who can I blame for that? Yeah, I just called my ex and I just died. Sit there leaning and just brought me back to life. County bands, I went on shake and jive. Fuck that bitch like I want her to die. I just called my ex and I just died. Sit there leaning and just brought me back to life. County bands, I went on shake and jive. Fuck that bitch like I want her to die. Doing the most. Doing the most. Niggas who do the most do the least. Yeah. You say you caught that, but I know it's a lease. I peep how she thinks she want what's in my bank and what's in my briefs. I cover the face of a cover girl and I whiten her teeth. I give her good her she good identical twin protect for lead. Don't be ungrateful asking for no watch, better watch your physique. Yeah. Donated all of my blood. I do this shit for my blood. I put it under the rug. Pour up the mud, that Cody #1 dad on my mug. I put my all in it, and I want the rate for that. Yeah, hey, and I want the bait for that. My bitch want a bigger butter, she just need somebody who could pay for that. Yeah, hey, who can I blame for that? Yeah, I just called my ex and I just died. Sit there leaning and just brought me back to life. Levitation, no hesitating. I came too far to look back now. All my decisions were so I get winning. It feel like I'm a champion, yeah. Levitate, yeah, levitate, yeah. I came too far to look back now. Levitate, yeah, levitate, yeah. I feel like I'm a champion, yeah.
When I wake up, wash my face, then get it in, get it in. Schedule filled and still I got to fit it in, fit it in. They depending on me, family, friends, and homies. Had to understand it's all about the team, not only. When I work out, feel like I can fly in the sky. All the love they give me to get me high, ain't no lie. If I wasn't such a killer, I would cry. Not that guy, levitation, dedication in my eye till I die. Ooh, people know I got it from the dirt. Ooh, so rough when I started, man, it hurt. Ooh, but all that struggle paid off. I'm a business owner now, I can't be laid off. Hell no. Whatever you do it every day. And do something different. If it's true, it barely pay. Don't be a jack of all trades and a master of none. I chose to give you rap, I'm ablaze and I'm after the sun. I won.
Levitation, no hesitating. I came too far to look back now. All my decisions were so I get winning. It feel like I'm a champion, yeah. Levitate, yeah, levitate, yeah. I came too far to look back now. Levitate, yeah, levitate, yeah. I feel like I'm a champion, yeah.
Push it to the limit, ain't no limit for me. Look what we invented, such a win, it's funny. Cause when I wanted to end it, no success, felt like I'm finished. But my friend with the other percentage said, let's go get this money. People really care about how I feel, and it's real. Cause I put the middle finger to a major record deal. For this independent label, had to peel, hella skrill. Now we all around the planet making meals, how'd it feel? Ooh, like it lit a fire in my soul. Ooh, gotta push it higher till it grows. Ooh, levitating like I'm David Blaine, yelling loud, I made it, man, cause we all created strange. I'm thankful for y'all dedication. And rep strange though.
You don't wanna live like this, let it sink in. Another premature body drop before the weekend. I used to bag up pieces beyond decent. They say the customer's right, never mistreat them. Ain't he searching for a vein with that needle? When you carry the monkeys, you gotta feed them. I suffer from similar inner demons. Yeah, I be sipping for insignificant reasons. When you told me you love me, I ain't believe it. But when you show me you love me, you'll receive it. Do it for the killers sitting down for them seasons. It be hard to say no, so they converting the leeches. Long as you are earning your peaches. Classification is top rank, never heard of impeachment. Long as you are earning your peaches. Classification is top rank, never heard of impeachment.
Living in the field, this is how it is. Gotta live with shit I did. When I die, I hope I miss. I ain't had no choice.
Killers and all mine. Cause I kill anybody, it come to mines. The driver like how I get all this time. You had an active role in the commission of a crime. Yeah, it's crazy you niggas don't see the signs. Bruh told on blood cause he ain't wanna do life. I send my condolences in the kite. You know the people gon' hang him and they ain't right. Stare at my daughters and see the light. Went and got him an M, I promised to see it twice. Y'all remember when Mozzie was on the hype? Mozzie was dead broke, he was stripping shit on sight. My brother died, they told me it'd be alright. I was back in 05 on Doodles, them niggas live. Got me relapsing and getting high. This shit got me relapsing and getting high.
Living in the field. This is how it is. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag. I just wanna take you to the bag while you let a nigga bust it down, bust it down, bust it down, oh yeah. Bust it down, bust it down, bust it down, oh yeah. Wait, in the trap with the top and the cash, ayy. I won't tolerate a bitch talking back, ayy. Now she looking at me throwing that shit back, ayy. 20 motherfucking racks on a bad day. Jumped into what the fuck is that? Drunk and it ain't no coming back. Pussy nigga don't get hit on with the 30. Sending bullets looking all across the map, ayy. T.O. niggas don't know how to act. I fought on the re-up, got it back. Shooter right beside me with the curry. You gon' let me rag cause I jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag. I just wanna take it to the bag while you let a nigga bust it down, bust it down, bust it down, oh yeah. Bust it down, bust it down, bust it down, oh yeah. Wait, crack that Hennessy and I'm drunk, ayy. We don't know you, you can't smoke the blunt, ayy. Yeah, I see the ops in the front, but
I got a Glock in my Louis V Jones.
jump, you know what the fuck is that? Drunk and it ain't no coming back. I might pull up to her block 7:30. If I go once, I know I'll get attached.
Ok, donc là vous avez écouté Black Panther, l'extrait All the Star avec SZA. Vous avez écouté également Tyga avec le son Temperature de l'album Kyoto et Nipsey Hussle avec Dedication featuring Kendrick Lamar.
Et ensuite, on a écouté Levitation de Tag Knight, No Choice de Mozzie et B.I.G. de Tory Lanez.
Exact, qui veut dire Boss It Down.
Ok.
Donc du coup on va commencer à parler un peu de Black Panther parce qu'on en a parlé un peu cette semaine. Je pense qu'il y en a parmi vous qui sont partis voir un peu le film là. Et donc qu'est-ce qu'on peut en dire? Est-ce que vous avez écouté un peu le son? Laissez vos commentaires tout simplement. Est-ce que vous avez écouté l'album de la bande son de Black Panther? Laissez-nous vos commentaires. Donc moi perso j'ai eu comme info comme quoi donc Black Panther, donc le film par Marvel. C'était, ils avaient organisé avec Kendrick Lamar, ils avaient décidé que Kendrick Lamar allait organiser le projet tout simplement, avec Teddy E. Et du coup c'est pour ça qu'on retrouve pas mal d'artistes comme Schoolboy Q sur le projet. Et je vous ai préparé aussi une petite phrase là pour le film. Toi qu'est-ce que t'en as pensé toi, soit du film, soit de l'album?
Ben, je t'avoue que personnellement le film je l'ai pas encore vu, mais l'album j'ai écouté quelques sons et j'ai vu le clip notamment du son avec Kendrick Lamar et franchement c'est du lourd hein. Le clip même, quand tu regardes le clip Kendrick Lamar, ses clips sont vraiment des événements, tu vois.
Exact.
On ne pas louper. Et le son passe très bien avec le clip.
C'est vrai.
Donc rien à dire, propre, carré. C'est filmé en plus, le clip est filmé, t'as l'impression que c'est un film. C'est un film de science-fiction.
C'est vrai. En plus, il montre les images sans spoiler.
Exactement.
C'est l'avantage.
Exactement, ça c'est fort.
Le clip à l'image du film. C'est vrai. C'est vrai. D'ailleurs, moi, si j'ai une phrase à vous dire, c'est le film nous dévoile en fait un Wakanda sublime. Et on découvre en fait l'histoire de Black Panther, le héros du Wakanda. avec l'acteur Chadwick Boseman qui a joué d'ailleurs dans le film de Get Up.
Ouais, très bon film ça aussi, je pense. Il a fait il a joué le rôle de qui déjà?
Il a joué le rôle du fameux chanteur James Brown. Ça m'était sorti de la tête.
Même moi, carrément. Ah ouais, franchement, belle interprétation.
Belle interprétation.
C'est un acteur à suivre. Hein.
Exact, un acteur à suivre. Je vous conseille de regarder un peu sa filmographie, sa série.
Et dites-nous si vous avez regardé Black Panther et si vous avez apprécié le film aussi.
Exact.
C'est intéressant de nous donner votre avis.
Laissez les commentaires tout simplement, on en a besoin. Ensuite, on a entendu également Taiga avec l'album Kyoto, sorti le 16 février. Donc il y a le son Température et Boss Up en son, et c'est son 6e album en fait.
Son 6e album, exactement. Exactement. Ben Température, hein, j'ai écouté lourd, hein. Rien à dire, hein. Propre, ça sent l'été, hein. Un son vraiment pour s'ambiancer. Et je crois qu'il y a le clip aussi. Allez regarder le clip, hein.
Il sera sur 3NTV.
Exactement. Et donc voilà, hein. Que dire d'autre?
Après, ce qu'on peut dire d'autre également, c'est que Taiga, il est apparu dans des films également, et surtout, il a sorti pas mal d'albums. Donc le deuxième album, on l'a connu avec Rack City en 2012, avec Rise of the Last King. Et le premier album, c'était No Introduction.
Ouais, en 2008.
Exact, en 2008. Et on l'a découvert également avec projet commun avec Chris Brown. En tout cas, moi, c'est comme ça que j'ai découvert. Toi, c'est comment que tu l'as découvert, Taiga?
Ah, j'ai découvert avec Lil Wayne. Hein. C'était ses premiers projets avec Lil Wayne, avec Young Money.
Ok.
Et il rappait, il était jeune, je me rappelle. Et ça a kické, c'est là que j'ai découvert. Et ensuite, comme tu as dit, notamment aussi avec ses projets avec Chris Brown. Je crois qu'il en a fait 2, hein, si je me trompe pas.
Ouais, minimum 2, ouais, exact.
Minimum 2, ouais.
Minimum 2.
Franchement, lourd. Hein. Et ensuite, il avait fait aussi Hotel California en 2013.
Exact, Hotel California.
Et voilà, t'as gars, kick, hein. C'est du kickage. Hein.
C'est vrai, dans Hotel California, il y avait le son Dope, d'ailleurs, qu'on écoutera tout à l'heure.
Cool, c'est
préparé.
Bien. En featuring avec quelqu'un, Rick Ross.
C'est ça, tout à fait. Et vous vous rappelez aussi, en 2015, il avait sorti donc The God Album, la 12e dynastie.
Exactement.
Et Beast I'm the Shit numéro 2, 2017, l'album qui suivait après la mixtape. On a eu le temps d'écouter aussi Nestlé, White Flower, qui est sorti le 28 février. Est-ce que tu savais qu'il venait d'Atlanta, ce rappeur?
Ah non, je savais même pas.
Tu savais pas?
Tu m'apprends quelque chose là.
Nestlé, il vient d'Atlanta et en fait, il était sur le point de partager sa revendication sur cet album-là. Et on a pas mal de nouveaux talents également avec comme Sky Mask, Slum God, Woodrich, Pablo Juan et également 24 heures, 24 Hours. Je pense qu'on écoutera des sons.
Du beau monde, hein, dans son album, hein, du beau monde.
Exact, je pense qu'on écoutera 24 Hours la semaine prochaine.
Je pense aussi, ouais.
Et si tu nous parles un peu de Tech9, toi?
Bah, Tech9, il a sorti un projet, hein, Planète, le 2 mars. Et lors de la création de l'album, Tech9 a déclaré qu'il était inspiré par un besoin de quitter la Terre pour une meilleure planète.
Ok. En fait, il a appelé cet album-là Planète parce qu'en fait, il voulait vraiment créer sa propre vision et parler des problèmes, de la haine, de tout ce qu'il voyait en fait dans la planète. Et pour ceux qui savent pas, donc c'est son 20e album. Et oui.
20e, ah ouais, quand même. C'est un ancien.
C'est un ancien. Ensuite, on avait écouté quoi comme
Mosey.
Exact.
Mosey, Spiritual Conversation, son album, qui est sorti le 2 mars. Et notamment, il a apparu aussi dans Black Panther album.
Ouais.
Et voilà, hein, un projet aussi avec J-Rock, je crois, en featuring, si je me trompe pas.
Exact.
Et donc voilà, hein, c'est à découvrir. Hein, si vous connaissez pas encore l'artiste, allez-y et dites-moi ce que vous en pensez. Si c'est un bon artiste.
Exact. On vous attend au tournant pour pouvoir nous parler un peu de Mosey. sorti le 2 mars.
Mosey a commencé à rapper en 2004 sous le nom de Lil Tim.
Exact.
Avant de changer de nom pour Mosey en 2012.
Exact, on peut dire que en fait les albums solo de Mosey sont vraiment des grands succès et qu'il a sorti son premier album en 2011, notamment avec le titre Money Man Mosey. Mais bon, si vous avez le temps, essayez d'écouter un peu ses projets.
Ouais, je pense que ça vaut le coup, parce que
ça vaut vraiment le coup. Donc laissez-nous vos commentaires, parlez-nous-en, si vous connaissez l'artiste, si vous avez découvert. C'est toujours pareil, c'est lié à Black Panther, donc... Ensuite, il y a également Tory Lanez.
Avec son album qui s'appelle Memories, donc Die, sorti le 2 mars. Et pour ceux qui connaissent pas Tory Lanez, à tout de suite.
Bottles in a bucket full of ice. Yeah. Better make room, hit a Lambo. Celebrate. Bitch, better believe that I'm a sniper. Yeah. You know I'm about to take you from your man, though. Celebrate. Pop up with the chopper at artificial niggas acting like bitches and it started up an epidemic. It don't make a difference, nigga, we winning. I'm plenty grinning. 100 million platinum, fuck it, you ain't gotta listen. Celebrate. Better step down to me. Feel a dick, bitch, open up your mouth to me. Nacho, talk to the dick, honestly. I'm dope, bitch, coming like any, meeny, money, mo. Celebrate. I don't like when I lose. If I don't buy her them shoes, I don't like those. Regulate. Do anything that I want to. Think I'm gon' dance on the moon like Michael. Elevate.
While I'm driving, I'm walking in the sky with some shooters. We jump inside of the Buick. You duck a half in the Rugers. A couple choppers, acoustic, and the guitar when the music is. I'm alive and I use it. Get stuck inside of the cubics. I never lie, but the truth is I'm fucking tired of these losers. And all my life want the food when it's summertime in the juice. But I'd rather die than to lose. It's a matter of time for I lose it and strategize with the movement. Walk in the trap like a boss. Oh, you know I'm dripping with the sauce. Oh, pretty with a face full of scars. All they did was build me up, try to take me apart. They ain't never wanna celebrate. Like you have a labor call that doctor, heard the chopper make him do the Macarena. All you niggas sweet as candy, chocolate chip, an hour later, Jolly Rancher, stick a bubble gum with watermelon flavor, get the paper roll. Celebrate. On the corner, I heard you niggas got the juice, but I got Corona. Got a little Spanish bitch, I call her Maricona. Jonah Lucas, bitch, I'm hotter than the fucking sauna. Yeah, I make you niggas elevate. All you new niggas don't do it for me, look. Bitch and the professor, you a student to me, what? Designer shades on like you cooler than me, wait. All we do is win, you a loser to me. Rappers wanna talk about battle me. But you can give me neck with a mouth full of cavities. Bunch of little niggas try grabbing me. 5'5", boy, you niggas like having me. You don't wanna see the other side of me. Hard to make them happy, all these bitches stay mad at me. I just might take her out to Applebee's. Give a long dick and a strawberry dagger.
Or the cheesecake factory bubbling while you mumbling. What you utter, stop stuttering. What you spin, let me double it. Lime green, robbery, two twins, call them double men. If all you pussy niggas my kids are in trouble then. Shut up before I spank you for acting up. Now I'm waking up in cabanas, bitch, you bad as fuck. Ain't all gorillas don't want bananas, that's your chain is tough. You wiggity whack with the strap, you cross Chris, make you jump. I crisscross with the pump, ain't no bricks in the trunk. Leave that shit for the chumps, I still get what I want. Don't wanna believe in my mind, but you believe in my dump. I'm taking a knee for my side, could give a fuck about the owners. Nigga, look in my eyes, you bout to give me my bonus. And every motherfucking record that's a hit, I record it. And every motherfucking snitch up in this bitch, they report it. You paid your way for this fade, they can't even afford it. 75 mil, look at me now. Celebrate. And all these bad bitches can't keep their feet down. You don't really wanna see brown. Need to stop all that shit talking, put the seat down. Jonah, I don't really feel these niggas. Hold up, I ain't gotta pay to kill these niggas. How much money need to fuck around and build these niggas? Vet, so I'm finna goodwill these niggas. I'ma kill these niggas, I should grill these niggas. Take flicks, Fresh Prince, Uncle Phil these niggas. Oh shit, I'm the shit, you can smell me, nigga. Break ribs, yeah, you don't want no real beef, nigga. I say assalamu alaikum when I tear apart some big ass hoe. You acting like a pig, you fucking filthy, nigga. Now the police tryna lock me in the prison, said I'm guilty. I say, come and kill me, nigga. They must have forgot that I'm psycho. Oh, you on war, say no more. Turn your fucking block into a light show. You better be sure, I'm the realest nigga that I know. And I'm so bored, I might switch home. Save a lot of money on Geico. The neighbors knocking on my door. What the fuck you want?
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag now. I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bag.
bags, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the whoop. 700 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, Drizzy get the loot. Pull up with that Draco, play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a flute. Nigga play so he feelin'. Pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like he littering. We at the door like we the delivering. He not a plug, he middleman.
My cool, Subaru, my bitch put red on her shoes. Subaru till I die, no lie, that's true.
What is radio?
Ties, bullet wounds, that's proof. Subaru, gang along, bang, bang. You ain't gotta piss around,
yeah. It's your birthday, and I'm thirsty, and it's your birthday, and I'm thirsty, and it's your birthday, and I'm thirsty, and I was sleeping up on you, yeah. I was selling drugs and playing by the rules, yeah. And those blood-stained sheets and those mad-lib beats and that gold in your teeth, I'm a motherfucker. Run a train, get the train, that's the same shit. Waking up, panties off, sleeping till your phone rings. And that brain got me weak, or that girl when she speak, or that grass in your green, you a mean mugger. It's your birthday, and I'm thirsty, and it's your birthday, and I'm thirsty, and
Girl, it's your world. The planets ring about you. Must be your birthday. The earth keeps spinning your tune, girl, it's your world. The evening stars fall from you. Bet that's your birthplace. The sun reminds me of you.
I was skipping up on school, yeah. I was running with the gang and we was fools, yeah. And that goose got me weak, and that hole in your teeth, and that kid in the street.
Need some cocoa butter.
She a fiend for that white, intervened in the night. I'm a bull when I fight. Catch a hook, catch a flight, catch a left, catch a right. Catch these hands or you might, and you know what I like, and I'm gonna be alright. I was born up in the summer too. Something I was missing like habituals. And I'm early, it's my birthday, and you looking kinda curvy, and your titties kinda perky. I'm a savage when I'm dirty, and I'm causing controversy. I don't care, I got attorney. All that sloppy on my jersey got me giddy, Lord help me. Yeah, Lord help me. Yeah, sing.
Girl, it's your world. The planets ring about you. Must be your birthday. The earth keeps spinning your tune, girl, it's your world. The evening stars fall from you. Bet that's your birthplace. The sun reminds me of you. Girl, it's your world.
It's feeling like love when you agree. Top down in the coupe, rolling through the D. We met up in the club, drunk as can be. But when it's real love, you feel it real deep. Whipping through the D, I mix the lean with the peach. I bust a Huey in the street right now, yelling fuck the police. Niggas say they don't know me right now. My girl got me on a leash, and I put that pimpin' shit down. I'm still in love with a queen, and it's feeling like love when you agree. Oh yeah, top down and down, rolling through the D. And we met up in the club, drunk as can be. And it's real love, baby, it's real love. You can feel it real deep, you feel it real deep.
Just kidding. I said this feeling brand new. I ain't talked to my homies in a week. She just got my name tattooed on her, and I just put her name on the lease. Oh yeah, I wake up to her face and feel like I just hit the game with a swish. She a lady when she round you. When she round me, it's freaky behavior. Hidden demons, so we fly forever.
Ain't the same if we ain't high together. I don't know if your wine or my eyes are redder. Top down, it's the kind of weather. I've been on the grind and my calendar full, but you always get the time of day. Every time I dive in, it feel like a pool. Baby, all I can see.
It's feeling like love, feeling like love. Oh, when you agree, got the top down in the cool, and we rolling through the D. I remember when we met up in the club. We were drunk as can be, but when it's real love, I can feel it real deep, If you got that good love, say oh yeah, yeah. If you got that good love, say oh yeah, yeah. If you're feeling real love, say oh yeah, yeah. If you got that good love, say oh yeah, yeah. Whipping through the D, I mix the lean with the peach. Top down in the streets right now. I got Xannies in the weed. Niggas say I don't come around now. My girl got me on a leash, and I'm about to have a baby right now. And I did it with a queen. I'm feeling like
Baby, don't make me spell it out for you. All of the feelings that I got for you can't be explained, but I can try for you. Yeah, baby, don't make me spell it out for you. You keep on asking me the same questions. Why? And second guessing all my intentions. Should know by the way I use my compression that you got the answers to my confessions. It's like I'm powerful with a little bit of tender and emotional, sexual bender. Mess me up, yeah, but no one does it better. There's nothing better. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. So good, so good, so fucking real. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. You know I love you, so please don't stop it. You got me right here in your jean pocket, laying your body on the shag carpet. Oh, you know I love you, so please don't stop it. It's like I'm powerful with a little bit of tender and emotional, sexual bender. Mess me up, yeah, but no one does it better. There's nothing better. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. So good, so good, so fucking real. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way that I feel now, baby. Good God, I can't help it. Hey, that's just the way that I feel. Yeah, please, I can't help it. It's like I'm powerful with a little bit of tender and emotional, sexual bender. Mess me up, yeah, but no one does it better. There's nothing better. Damn, that's just the way you make me.
Lately been feeling like niggas doubt me. Trust me, they don't got no staying power. Left Atlantic about a minute later. Early record label try scout me. Representing all official niggas. Intelligent fly and get bitches, nigga. I tell her to fly, she catch a delta. Or she roll, or she get to stepping. AKA, I be speaking reckless. 07, my Supreme jacket. AKA's at Virginia State. My second year, I tried to get one pregnant. Early bird, that was Petersburg. Now my little bird fly to Teterboro. Halliburton full of blues brothers. Ain't no Aykroyd or Belushi neither. Paranoid, so I'm drinking heavy. Hearing voices, so I'm sleep heavy. Had a choice, I could turn it back. I be running back for a team or something. Kick return while receiving money. Now I'm sneaking burners in the club. I'm not concerned about who beefing with us. I can give them words, I can beat them up. Rap those, I'm Zab Judah. Hook, cross, jab, jab, throw 'em. Uber X, I'm in the Maxima. She was a Maxima, she got an attitude. But I'm cool, though. I'm not a little nigga trying big boy. I'm like the outcast of the new school. Spent about 3 stacks on that Bitcoin. Hey, I got this for you a simp, why you gotta buy a gift for? Might buy me a Rari, you buying phone posits and walk around like we ain't different. Shit, y'all just Instagram. Shit, y'all just Twitter shit. Yeah, I ain't about to tip with tap, but niggas check the map, but guess who pushed it there? Me, Alarm. I got it, and I can out-rap my opponents. And I'm not too popular media, treat my passion like a hazard or something. Y'all get the hand off and fumble at me. I get it and I'll come over it. Simple city niggas wild with me, so you out of town niggas humble it. Gassing on me, and hella sweet. The homies is homonyms out in these streets. You probably just wondering what do that mean. Mean I ain't too deep, but I ain't too deep. Sweet. I'm the legend niggas trying to be. I went to Portland before I signed with my team. When other niggas couldn't fly on their feet. Never that bro shit applying to me. Forever that dope shit that run in my blood like I'm sipping mud and tired of sleep. We laughing at who thought it's quiet for me. I quietly built my empire to set a fire to the rivaling teams. I'm a lion, you would just be lying about with anybody bothering me. Blood on my teeth. All of my queens got blood on these sneakers. All of my women be loyal and honest. I take them out shopping, then burn the receipt. Who fucking with me? Not really, like, who fucking with Falarin, the God body flow, the Godfather himself, rest in peace to Chuck Brown. Say, young man, when it's your time, you had the whole nation's capital and the surrounding towns embarrassed to not be following you. Well, you know I know that's only kinda true. It was more like you shine a little dude. See, it's a lot of life's lemons that's about to come through, but if you run, Joe and bust.
Yeah, I got that up north glow body looking like cinnamon. I'm running shit right now, I think I pulled a ligament. Fashion killer, a liar assassin, vet mom villain, Balenciaga bastard. Got that melanin magic, brown skin poppin', always fly. I stay in the cockpit, I want it, I cop it. Open the door, then locked it. Every time Remy touch the city, stop it.
Pretty brown eyes, they all know you and they want you. I know they need you in their life, but you my vibe tonight, and I love you. Baby, don't try to act like that you ain't been texting me, saying what you wanna know. With them pretty brown thighs between your legs tonight, is what I wanna do.
I'm a real writer, rap crown taker, ass so soft because it's not faker. I can show you how to move in a room full of whole bitches. He met me and now he don't even know bitches. I see you be on IG, I'm thick, you sick, damn, you need an IV. Show me your ID, cause I don't know you chicks. You scared the heights, no, to jump off my dick.
Yeah, my pretty brown eyes, they all know you and they want you. I know they need you in their life, but you my vibe tonight, and I love you. Baby, don't try to act like that you ain't been texting me, saying what you wanna know. With them pretty brown thighs between your legs tonight, is what I wanna do. You know I don't care, bring that ass right here for me. Take it all off for me, baby, let me see some. I know you the best for me, you're a real